this is such a, well, it isn't calm, you can see by the way it is windy. And if I zoom in right there, if I can get it, there's a heron. He's hidden away in the trees. I'll zoom in, manually zoom in, because this camera hasn't got zoom, but he's right in there. I didn't see him come in, but right, as you can see, I am at Hereford Rowing Club again. Bang. It's just one of those events, the motorhomer.com ones that I go to, and I really enjoy coming to Hereford, even although I only live sort of 10-12 mile up the road. It's like a base to work from, and you've only got to get up onto that dual carriageway there on that bridge, right? You go back through the main entrance, and it's only 500-600 yards, and you're right in the centre of the city of Hereford. It's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So let me just turn the camera around and say hello. Right there. It's one of those days where I just haven't got a clue what I've been doing. I'm off tomorrow, back home tomorrow, a couple of days. Right, the Stratford and Avon event, I should be going to that. I'll put some discount code on here now for you, and there's a couple of adverts that they've put out, so I will be going to that. And I mean, there's pigeons everywhere. As I'm showing you some drone footage at the moment on this one, because I didn't do an awful lot of filming. You know, I come here for a rest actually, and yeah, put the drone up, and I started to follow a few canoes, and the pigeons and the seagulls were attacking the drone. How I never lost this new drone. See, there's another one flying by now. Buggers. Look at it. There they are. Look, they come in to attack. The ducks are alright, the ducks don't worry. I think it could be because there's it's nesting, isn't it? So and I do believe that there's a lot of nesting in Asda, at the back of Asda, which Asda is there, the other side of the river. You got to walk all the way down there to that bridge, cross over, walk back up, and the entrance is up there. So everything is so close. Sainsbury's is the other end of the site, so it's got access to everything. Swimming pool, saunas, it's got access to everything. And I just do like watching these people row in. It's absolutely brilliant for your torso muscles. Right, yeah, and as you can see, I'm right next to the river. I wanted to get closer, but when I got here there was another van here, but that left yesterday. So right, that's it. I'm going back in. I'm going to watch a bit of YouTube and have an early night again. Trying to find the off button. Right, we'll see you at Stratford if you're there.